Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn subtraction of algebraic expressions. Students, we can subtract given algebraic expressions by using horizontal method or by using vertical method. First of all, we are going to learn subtraction of algebraic expressions by horizontal method. Horizontal method means by collecting like terms. Now, example, subtract 13p square q square plus 8pq from 15pq plus 25p square q square. Students, here we have to subtract this first expression from this second expression. Students, here from what comes? Therefore, we have to write this second expression at first. Therefore, we can write here 15pq plus 25p square q square, 25p square q square. After that, we have to write subtraction sign, and after subtraction sign, we have to write this first expression into the bracket. Therefore, 13p square q square plus 8pq, bracket close. Now students, in place of this prompt, directly question given like this. Therefore, then no need to change in this question. We can solve as it is. Now, here outside bracket subtraction sign or minus sign. When we open this bracket, then sign of each term is changed. If you open this bracket, then sign of each term is changed because outside bracket minus sign or subtraction sign. Therefore, we can write here 15pq plus 25p square p square as it is. Now, here outside bracket minus sign, here 13. 13 means plus 13. Therefore, this plus 13 change into minus 13. Therefore, minus 13 p square q square. Now, here 8 plus. Here sign of 8 plus. Then it will change into minus. Then therefore here minus 8pq. Now bracket open. Now students, I repeat, here minus sign or subtraction sign outside bracket. When we open this bracket, sign of each term is changed. Here 13 positive, therefore here negative. Here 8 positive, therefore here negative. Now students, we have to collect or we have to write like terms together. Here pq, here pq, here p square q square, here p square q square. Therefore, we have to write these like terms together. 15pq, this minus 8pq. Now this 25p square q square. These two terms are like terms. Now plus, here plus sign, therefore here plus sign. 25p square q square. Now here p square q square. Therefore we can write here minus 13p square q square. These two are also like terms. Now students, here these two terms are like terms. Then we can calculate this. Here 15, here minus 8, or here subtraction of these two terms, like terms. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Therefore, we can write here 7pq. These two terms are like terms. Therefore, calculation of their numerical coefficients only. Therefore, 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Now, here 25p square q square minus 13p square q square. Therefore, these two are like terms. Therefore, here subtraction of their numerical coefficients only. 25 minus 13 is equal to 12. Therefore, here Greater number is 25 and its sign is positive. Therefore, we can write here positive. Therefore, here 12 and p square q square as it is. P square q square. Therefore, students, subtraction of this first expression from this second expression is 7pq plus 12p square q square. Now, we solve this example by vertical method. Same example by vertical method. Now students, we have to subtract this first expression from this second expression. Therefore, here from what comes? Therefore, we have to write this second expression at first. Therefore, we can write here 15pq plus 25p square q square. Now students, we have to write this first expression in second row, but we have to write like terms one below the other. Here first term is 13p square q square. Therefore, we have to write this term below this term, because here p square q square, here also p square q square. Therefore, we can write here 13p square q square. 13 is positive, therefore we can give here plus sign. Now second term is 8pq, therefore here we have to write below this 15pq. 8pq. Now students, here we have to subtract this expression from this expression. Now students, here we have to change sign of each term of expression which written in second row. Now 8 is positive here, therefore we can change sign negative or minus. Now 13 is positive here, therefore here 13 negative or minus. Therefore here we have to consider sign of 8 minus sign of 13 minus. Now students, if you change sign of each term of expression which written in second row, then in place of subtraction we have to make addition of these like terms. Here addition of these like terms. Now 15 plus minus 8. 15 plus minus 8 is equal to 7. And this pq as it is. Now 25 plus minus 13. 25 plus minus 13 is equal to 12. Therefore, here 12. Now 25 greater and sign of 25 is positive. Therefore, we can write here positive or plus sign. Here p square q square. Therefore, we can write here p square q square. Therefore, students, here subtraction of first expression from this second expression is equal to 7pq plus 12. If you observe here, answer by vertical method and answer by horizontal method, both answers are same. Students, in this way we can subtract given expressions by horizontal method or by vertical method. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.